Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Second lecture of electrostatic, in which we will explain the second method, that how we can make a body charged, that is electrostatic induction method. So first of all, it must be clear that unlike the rubbing process, here no physical contact between the two bodies will occur. If we are making a body charged by electrostatic induction method, in this case, first condition is no physical contact between two bodies will occur. The second one body will be charged and other one will be neutral. The third one is that when a neutral body is brought near the charged body, means when a neutral body entered into the electric field of a charged body, at that time only distribution of the charges on the neutral body will occur. It means that all the positive charged will be repelled on one side or will be accommodated on one side, and the negative charge will be accommodated on the other charges. Therefore, when the charges distribution that are already present inside a neutral body will occur, and as a result a body will become charged. For this we have a simple example. Let's suppose we have a charged rod as shown in the figure, and this rod is positively charged. So there will be a field around this positive charge rod like this. Now on the other hand, there is a neutral sphere object which has no charge, but this sphere is out of the field of the positively charged rod. When we brought this sphere inside the field of the electric field of this positively charged rod, at that time all the negative charges of the sphere will be attracted by the positively charged rod, and because of repulsion the positive charge will be accommodated on the opposite side as shown in the figure. In this way a sphere can be made charged. This process is called electrostatic induction, in which no physical contact between these two charged and uncharged body occur. Only we brought this neutral body inside the field of a positively or any other charged body, positively or negatively charged body. Only the distribution of the charges will occur inside this neutral body. No loss or gain of electron will occur here. The same charges will be separated on the opposite side because of this positively charged body. This is the second method, and this is called electrostatic induction.